Umuada Isionye Enugwu Ukwu in Njikoka local government area has been inaugurated. Correspondent Njikoka was there and now reports.
The chairman of Isionye village, Mr. Boni Ozobialo, while inaugurating the association at Umuezu Awovu Village Hall, charged them to bond together and do their best to advance the cause of Isionye's progress. In her speech, the convener of the association, Mrs. Ebele Nwokoye, explained that members of Isionye are all the daughters born in the three villages that make up Isionye, namely Osili, Awovo, and Urupaleke, and their vision is to bring their sisters that are based all over the world together for the purpose of helping the less privileged among them.
Just a way to bring our sisters, that are based all over the world, to bring us together, to bond as sisters, but think of what we can do for our community.
On her part, the chairman planning committee of the inauguration ceremony, Mrs. Ijoma Uche, described their inauguration as a welcome development, noting that it will help them to bond as sisters, while the chairman on the occasion, Chief Jude Ekunife, advised them to work in line with their bylaw in order to achieve their vision. From Enugwu Ukwu, Chukwuemeka Modelim, ABS News.